Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about share capital accounting in Boon application. As we all know, the investment received in a business is accounted as the share capital of the business. Basic accounting entry for share capital is credit share capital ledger with investor as subledger, debit bank ledger. As a part of this demo, I will configure the basic setup such as chart of accounts, basically accounts like share capital account and bank ledger account. We will create a bank in bank master, vendor in vendor master. Investors are treated as vendors. Finally, we will set up the journal setup to enter the receipt journal. We will practically enter the receipt, post the journal. Once these setups are completed, we will evaluate the reports such as voucher, ledgers, trial balance and balance sheet. Now we will log into Boon application. Navigate to Finance and Accounts Management, Setup, Chart of Accounts. Chart of Accounts screen opens. I had already opened the basic groups like assets, liabilities, expenses and revenue. We will open share capital under liabilities and bank account under asset for this demo. Now I click new, edit and added account 10010, named it as cash and bank. Account type was kept as asset only. I am not activating this account so that this will act as a group for all my bank accounts and save the record. Now again I clicked new, added account 10011, name it as bank current account, which is my bank ledger. Again, account type is asset only and set the subledger type as bank, which will accept a bank code along with the ledger. Activate and save the record. Click new and add account 20010. Name it as share capital. Set the account type as liability. We will not activate the account. Now save the record. Click new and add account 20011. Name it as equity share capital, which is my share capital ledger. Set the account type as liability. Here we will set the subledger type as vendor so that it will accept a vendor along with the ledger. We will activate the account and save the record. We will close the form and reopen it, and you will notice that the accounts are ordered in correct sequence. Now we will navigate to menu, bank, processes, bank accounts. Click new button and enter information related to company's bank accounts here. Enter the bank name, branch, account number, type of account, IFSC code, MICR code, etc. In the account details tab, select the bank ledger that is to be attached to the bank. Now we will save and close the form. We will now navigate to purchase management, processes, vendors. Enter the vendor name and check activate. We will create one more vendor and activate the vendor. On saving the record, the vendor ID will be automatically generated. We can record contact information, tax information, vendor demographics, etc. in the respective fields. Now we will keep it blank. Now we will navigate to finance and account management, setup, journal book. I had already created a journal book to accept the receipt journal. Basic setup include a number sequence which will generate a voucher number, journal type and currency. We can maintain the default dimension setup such as branch, division, cost center, etc. Other default values includes offset account information. I set the value as bank ledger and type as bank. To record receipt, we will navigate to sales management, processes, journals, receipt journal. In receipt journal, click new, select journal book. Dimension values came automatically. Enter the description of the journal. I put it as investment. Save the record. Number generates automatically. Click Journal Details button. Now Journal Details form opens. Click Edit, select the offset subledger. In our case, we will select the bank account. Write the journal narration in offset narration. Save header information. Click New in the line section. Select the account Equity Share Capital. Select the subledger. Here vendor drop down will appear. Select the vendor and in the credit column I entered the amount 1 lakh. Now save the line. Offset debit 1 lakh will appear automatically. Click Journal Subledger. We could see the accounting entries generated out of this journal. Now click print button. We can see the printable format of unposted voucher. Now we will close the subledger form and in the journal details click post journal button. Once confirmed, journal will get posted. Now click voucher button to see the posted voucher. Click print button to get a printable format of voucher. Now let us evaluate the reports. Navigate to Finance and Accounts Management, Reports, Ledger Report. Let us run the report for the financial year 2021-22. Ledger report opens in 2 pages with bank account in debit and share capital in credit. We will navigate to Finance and Accounts Management, Reports, Trial Balance Report. We will run it for financial year 2021-22. To check the balance sheet, let us navigate to Finance and Accounts Management, MIS, Financial Reports. We will select Balance Sheet Schedule 6 Report and click Execute Report. Report data will be generated at the line section. Click Print Report button. You can see the share capital as liability and cash instruments in Asset section. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you.